Just a short 5-minute drive from Rose Family Farm, I've arrived at Niemi Family Farm. Anytime I mentioned that I was coming to Niemi, I was told that I must pick up some of their homemade donuts and some of their amazing seasonal produce. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. The setup has all the whimsical charm of a quaint Scandinavian village. They've really done a great job sharing a piece of their culture and making you feel welcome when you arrive. Where to start? Okay, let's see the market, decor, seed shack, gift shop, ice cream, bakery. I can't decide, so I think I'm just gonna see everything. So let's take a look around first. The farm and market is run by Marjo and Peter, along with their 7 daughters and their 3 sons. There is an inviting energy here and a contagious sense of community that makes you feel like a welcome part of their tribe. The farm was originally established back in 2004, but this 15-acre property was purchased in 2015. They take a holistic approach to farming, using manure from their animals to fertilize their crops and growing without the use of any pesticides. Baking, farming, sales, marketing. When I asked Marjo how she keeps up with such a full schedule, she said that she just loves the outdoors and regenerates by weeding in her garden. They offer produce, seeds, fresh cut flowers and arrangements, seedlings, and baked goods. Here at the bakery, they have house-made donuts, breads, pies, cookies, fudge, and a host of other baked goodies. And it all comes out of this bakery on wheels. I came for the donuts, so that's exactly what I'm gonna get. At the end of October, the market is transformed into a beautiful Christmas market that runs until December 22nd. There you can purchase gifts, get cozy by the fire, pick up a tree. This video is brought to you by York Region Food Network in collaboration with York Farm Fresh. York Region Food Network connects and empowers people to access healthy food through education and advocacy while working to build a stronger community. York Farm Fresh exists to connect customers and community to York Region grown local food. Visit our members today to experience the freshness York Region has to offer.